What's going on, everybody? Are you struggling to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange? Stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to put together the 4 crypto trading components required to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. But before we get started, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And if you're on YouTube, click the like and share link to allow more people to see this video. With that, it's amazing how you can literally grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. When the price action in most cryptocurrencies creates lots of opportunity to buy on the way up and short sell on the way down before the cryptocurrency fades into oblivion a few days later. For example, just a couple of hours ago, my fintech clients traded and made of 60% profit on the SCLT USDT cryptocurrency futures contract in 3 days, 1 hour. And my students traded and made 30% profit on the DBR USDT cryptocurrency futures contract in 1 day, 4 hours. And the best part, I traded and made of 35% profit on the TAI USDT cryptocurrency futures contracts in 1 day, 20 hours. Can you imagine making 35% profits in just 1 day? Isn't that amazing? Can you see yourself doing that? Do you realize how much opportunity is waiting for you right now? With that, it's time for me to walk you through the simple 4 crypto trading components required to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Andrew Oko, and I've been trading and investing in cryptocurrencies for literally 10 years now. And the first crypto trading components required to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange is to build a consistently profitable crypto trading strategy, or use my simple 4-step crypto trading research strategy. And the first step of my simple crypto trading research strategy is to identify where the price action in most cryptocurrencies will be heading to. And the second step of my simple crypto trading research strategy is to find the most current bullish trend section of the cryptocurrencies. Then the third step of my simple crypto trading research strategy is to create a trading plan on a candlestick fractal data of the cryptocurrencies. And finally, the fourth step of my simple crypto trading research strategy is to choose the best entry conditions before you click the buy button. The second crypto trading components required to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange is to implement the right cryptocurrency asset allocation. Make no mistakes, cryptocurrency asset allocation accounts for over 90% of your cryptocurrency return on investment success. And the rule of dozen is the most important principle of a cryptocurrency asset allocation. Basically, the rule of dozen states that you should strictly divide your crypto trading capital into 12 equal portions for trading 12 different cryptocurrency investments. The third crypto trading components required to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange is to boost your crypto trading capital with a 10x leverage. Make no mistakes, leverage is the most important capital booster when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies. And that's exactly why using 10x leverage would absolutely increase your trading capital when it comes to trading in a cryptocurrency exchanges. And that's why it's basically advised not to go over 10x when using leverage, because it has some negative effects when wrongly used. So make no mistakes, strictly use 10x leverage when using leverage in any cryptocurrency exchange. And finally, the fourth crypto trading components required to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange is to grab the psychology of a good cryptocurrency trader. Look, when you trade with the right psychology and lose more than 4 times in a row, if you can keep re-entering the trade as demanded by my crypto trading entry conditions, you will absolutely grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. So if you can literally put together these 4 crypto trading components in every cryptocurrency exchange, you will absolutely grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. And if you want to learn more, click the links below to download a free copy of the 4 crypto trading components required to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.